I am an oppressed patriot. But you know what lightens my mood? Another historic firearm. Historic in a more modern sense. The Glock 19. The Glock 19 is an evolution of the larger Glock 17. While the 17 was the first commercially successful polymer pistol, the Glock 19 arguably started the concealed carry craze. Designed in 1988, the Glock 19 was made to be a more concealable version of the larger 17. By today's standards, it's still a pretty large handgun, but that's part of its charm and its success. It is a jack of all trades. The 19 is a midsize Glock, between the larger full-size 17 and the subcompact Glock 26. It is chambered in 9mm Luger and was designed to carry 15 rounds in its magazine. If you live in a good state, you get 15 rounds, but if you're like me and live in an oppressed state, you only get 10 rounds. But 10 rounds is still pretty good for personal defense and concealed carry. This is a Generation 3 Glock 19, as shown by these finger grooves here, and I like to start off by saying this is an absolutely beautiful pistol. I don't know why some people don't like them. I think there's beauty in the simplicity, and it has a futuristic style to me that I just love. Out of the box, it comes with these dot and box sights. Again, some people love them, some people hate them. For me, they work just fine. Now I'm going to show you how to field strip this handgun. Now, to field strip a Glock, you do have to pull the trigger, so we're going to carefully make sure it's unloaded. Magazine out. Double check. These tabs on each side are pushed down with the slide partially retracted. So, I pull it back about a ½ inch. I push one tab down with my finger. You can release the slide. Find the other tab. Pull that down. Now we pull the trigger. And the slide should release, and we just pop it off. That's the frame. Here's the slide, and inside, the recoil spring, and you can just shake out the barrel. Now, to put it back together, we just reverse the process. We'll take the slide, barrel, with the locking lug upwards. We angle that in, let it fall in. You shouldn't have to push anything too hard, just fall into place. The recoil spring has a tab on one side and is flat on the other. We put the tab in the front of the slide, push in, lock it into place. Now we take our frame, and this is the tricky part. I've messed this up a few times. If you do, it's no big deal. Just try again. We align the frame with the slide. And if you do it right, everything should lock back into place. And you're good to go. One word that comes to mind when talking about any Glock, but especially the 9mm models, is reliability. And this gun has been utterly reliable for me straight out of the box. Let's go take a look at it at the range. Pause that. We did okay on the steel plates. Let's see what kind of group we can hold on paper. at 25 feet during the heat of the moments of filming, we were able to maintain a pretty decent group. And again, anywhere, in a defensive situation, this is more than acceptable. Having a nice wide grip like that really helps. And the Glock 19 is an excellent choice for concealed carry. Or, if your state allows it, open carry. It's a good gun. If you enjoyed this video, please look at some of my others, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Or check me out at oppressedpatriot.com, patreon.com/oppressedpatriot. Thank you very much for watching.